If you're new to day trading, you're probably making mistakes you don't even know about. Mistakes that cost you money every single trade. Have you ever looked at your trades and thought, wow, I could have kept that money in my pocket. I could have avoided that loss if I just knew better. Well, you're not alone. In fact, most beginners lose money for the same simple reasons. Today, I'll be sharing 5 moves that will flip the script. I'll walk you through 5 simple day trading moves that can completely change your results. You will wish you knew this sooner. And it doesn't matter whether you're trading stocks, forex, or crypto. These simple moves give you the key to making big profits in day trading. Make- If this is your first time here, you're most welcome to my channel Trade with Rigs, where traders get ahead and learn how to build wealth and gain financial freedom by making smarter moves in the stock market. You can hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video so you don't miss out on any new updates or videos that I post. And you can also give a thumbs up to like and share and help this video get at least 1000 likes. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first one is trading with the trend. So here's the truth and rule number 1. The trend is your best friend until you ignore it or try to fight it. Don't try to be the hero who buys at the absolute bottom or sells at the absolute top. That's how accounts disappear. New traders love going against the market, hoping to catch the top or bottom. They often try to guess tops and bottoms, but the market usually wins that game because 8 out of 10 times you'll just be catching losses. Instead, use a 50-day period moving average to guide your direction. If price is above it, only look for buy setups, and if it's below it, stick to only selling. This keeps you on the right side of the momentum. Simple, safe, and profitable. The second one is to master your entry and exit. Here's the secret. Winning trades are made before you even hit that buy button. It's all about timing. So you plan your entry and plan your exit. You don't just hope for the best. And one easy way is to pick a specific trigger like a candle pattern confirmation or a breakout of the previous day's high or low and aim for a take profit that's at least 1.5 times your stop loss. The third one is trading only a small position size. Now, if you want to blow your account, then trade huge positions on a hunch. But if you want to stay in the game, then don't bet the farm on one trade. Risk only a small portion of your account per trade. Utilize the 1% risk rule. This means that you're only allowed to lose 1% of your capital on any trade. Now let me explain this further. So if you have $15,000 in your account, you cannot lose more than $150 on a single trade, no matter how much you invested into that trade. Does that make sense? This way, even if you have a few losing trades, it won't wipe you out. And this same concept applies regardless of your account size. So keep your risk per trade at just 1 to 2% of your account when starting out. You can increase your position if you continue to make profits and your account size gets larger. Yes, I know, it doesn't sound exciting, but you know what's more exciting? Still having money to trade next week. The fourth one is avoid overtrading. Sometimes the problem isn't your strategy, it's that you're trading way too much, and because of that, you end up losing all your money. Overtrading is like snacking. Once you start, it's hard to stop, and it usually ends badly. And this can take away your profits faster than if you had a bad strategy. So set a daily limit to 2 to 3 quality trades per day and walk away once you hit your stop loss cap. And the fifth one is keeping a trade journal. This is the move almost no beginner uses. A trade journal is your personal trading coach. You write down your trades, why you took them, and how they worked out. That is the outcome of each trade. This is a simple template I use in Excel format. but you can also use Word documents or any other format. And trust me when I say in a month, you'll start spotting patterns, the good and the bad, that you would never have noticed. That can make you a better trader overnight. And that's it. 5 moves that could change the way you trade forever and help you trade smarter. Day trading doesn't have to be a gamble. By trading with the trend, planning your entries and exits, managing your risk, avoiding overtrading, and tracking your progress, you'll put yourself ahead of most beginners. Remember, the market rewards the prepared trader. And here's the extra tip I promised in the beginning of the video. If you want to make consistent profits from day trading, you just need to learn how to add at least 2 to 4% to your account in one trade in just a matter of minutes. If you win 2 to 4% or more on at least 40% of your trades and you lose 1% on others, you will make a lot of money. And if you can win 50% or more, even better. This sounds simple, yet most people completely misunderstand this concept that produces big wins and profits. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments which move you're starting with today.